Good morning everybody and welcome to Letters and Sounds. I'm going to record it a little bit differently today because I've only got my phone today. Shall we start with the alphabet song? I'm going to turn my camera around so you can see the letters really close up. See you in a minute. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Won't you come and have a cup of tea? Now, let's have a look at the phonemes that we have been learning this week. Now, I'm going to do the action first and then I'm going to show you. That's right. E, like in the word leek, which is a vegetable. Next one. You ready? That's right. A, like in the word rain. And the last one. That's right. We're also going to play a little game. Are you ready? Now, we've been used to looking at the phonemes with a picture, but we need to get good at recognising the phonemes without a picture to help us remember. So I've made some little cards. Are you ready? The. Well done if you got that. Ch, ch, ch. Well done. Shh. Oi, oi. Oh. Oh, sorry. Yes, that is. Oh. Oh. It's hard to see when they're the other way around. Now this one has got two sounds. Let's have the long one first. Ooh. And then the short. Oh. Oh. Two sounds for that one. This week's phoneme. E. Qu. Qu. Ng. Ng. A. Or. Your. Air. Ear. Ear. I. And the last one. Ow! There's a lot to remember, isn't there? Maybe you could make your own little phoneme cards and practice that at home. Now then, today we're going to carry on thinking about blends and also remembering how to read and write our tricky words. Now then, I'm going to turn the camera around again to show you the phase 2 tricky words. The, I, go, to, into, and no. I hope you've remembered those ones now. We've got our hard ones. They, are, was, my, he, all, be, you, she, me, and we. I've also got a new one to practice today. And I've got it out ready. Here it is. Her. I can't remember if we did this one yesterday or not, but anyway, it's the last one, the phase 3 tricky words. And then we're going to move on and do some more tricky words. I'm going to show you how to do that this afternoon. So I'll put her up on the fireplace with the other phase 3 tricky words. And I think we better start practicing. What do you think? So today I'm going to write the word her first. Are you ready? Her. We did have this one yesterday, I remember now. They. The. Yeah. And then I want to think about some of the phase 3 tricky words where the makes an E sound. Do you remember them? So, let's start with he. H, E. E. B. E. And we'll do one more. W. E. Did you remember? We haven't done those ones for a while. Well done. Now yesterday we started thinking about blends, and we're going to carry on thinking about blends today. Blends at the end of a word. So we'll start by putting in our phoneme frame. Are you ready? Now remember, we now need 3 lines on our phoneme frame. Make sure your boxes are far enough apart to fit your phonemes in. Are you ready? The first word we're going to write is best. Mrs. Neal is my best friend. B. B. E. And here's the blend. I'm going to say it first. St. 2 letters almost blend into one. B. E. St. I can hear the first one. S. So I'm going to write that and then I'll see if I can figure out the last one. B. E. St. T. 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 Did you get it? St. Best. B. E. St. Well done. What about your letters? Leave your frame. I'm going to try and blend these sounds now. Are you ready? Gulp. Do you know what a gulp is? It's when you swallow really loudly, like this. That's a gulp. G, g, g. G. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I think Alfie's seeing a van. G, oh, and now's the blend. Gulp. Gulp. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Gulp. The blend is, oh. Let's try and remember that. Gulp. What about your letters? Leave your frame, we'll do one more. Alfie, stop barking at the van, please. Now, the next one. Ooh, band. Mr. Neal plays the euphonium in a band. B. A. And. Oh. And. And da 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 da. Well done. B A N D. Band. Well done. Rub everything out now. And we're going to try and play quick write with words with 4 sounds in, and they've got to blend. See if you can beat me. Are you ready? First one. Are you ready? Get your pen ready. Is your board clean? Good. First word. Land. land. Ooh, ah, and there's my blend. I'm going to draw a circle around my blend. Land. Next one. You ready? Wipe your board clean. Oh. Nest. Oh, goodness me, that's a hard one. Did you get it? Nest. Drawing a circle around that blend. I like that. Well done. One more, then we're going to write a sentence. Are you ready? The word is going to be link. Ooh. Link. Ink. I got that one straight away. Did you get the ink at the end? Oh, ink. Link. Two sounds that almost blend into one. Link. Now, let's write a sentence, and I'm going to show you a word ending today, which helps us to write two-syllable words if you can hear this ending. And the ending is an ing, which uses our friendly ing, but has an it as well, so I'll show it you in a moment. Are you ready? So the first word, I. And now I'm going to use a word with a blend, so a finger space, kept. Kicking cat. There's the blend. Makes it tricky. I kept. Now is the ing word ending. Bumping. B. Oh. There's a blend. Did you hear it? Bump. Now we need that ing ending. I. Ing. There we go. I kept bumping. Now we're going to use a tricky word. Into. Two words stuck together. So let's write the first one first. In. And now we need two. Into. And the last word is things. Ing. Again, it's that word ending. Ing. And because there was more than one thing, I'm going to put a s on the end. And a full stop. I kept bumping into things. I'm going to be back later, and I'm going to be in the making area because sadly I haven't got the phase 4 word cards at home. So I'm going to make some, and I'm going to show you how to make some as well, and I'll show you which words we need to make. I'm going to start this afternoon with the word said, which is a hard word, but I'm going to show you this afternoon. See you later. Bye-bye.